মৰমৰ ক্লাছ 7ৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকে জানাই যে এবাৰ তোমালোকে গুণোৎসৱত ক্লাছ 6ৰ পৰীক্ষাতে অৱতীৰ্ণ হ'ব লাগিব। আজি মই তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে প্ৰথম পৰ্যায়ত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈ যোৱা গুণোৎসৱৰ ইংৰাজী কাকতখনৰ কিছুমান প্ৰশ্ন লৈ আহিছো। ইয়াত দুটামান পেৰাগ্ৰাফ আমি পঢ়িম, তাৰ পিছত তাৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ কৰিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম। আৰু মনত ৰাখিবা এই প্ৰশ্নসমূহ আৰু পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো মই তোমালোকক অসমীয়াত বুজাই নিদিওঁ আৰু ইংৰাজীতে এইখিনি আমি ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিম, কাৰণ পৰীক্ষা হলত তোমালোকে ইংৰাজীটো পঢ়িহে উত্তৰকেইটা কৰিব লাগিব। তেন্তে আহা আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Read the following passage and answer question number 21 to 23. Once there was a king named Robert Bruce in Scotland. He was very brave and fought many battles. But once in a battle he was defeated badly and had to run away from the battlefield to save his life. He hid himself in a cave of a mountain range. He was completely depressed. One day, when he was sitting inside the cave, he saw a spider trying to climb up to the roof of the cave. He observed that the spider failed to climb the roof even after repeated attempts. But it did not give up. The king was observing all the activities of the spider and noticed that after 6 attempts, it succeeded in reaching the roof. He had learned a good lesson from it. He gained encouragement and strength to confront the enemy and decided to face them. He fought with a new vigor and succeeded in the battle. তো এয়া আছিল আমাৰ প্ৰথম পেছেজ। ইয়াৰ লগত জড়িত তিনিটা প্ৰশ্ন কৰা হৈছে। Question number 21 সুধিছে, Where did the king hide? In the cave, in the mountains, in the battlefield, or in Scotland? প্ৰশ্নটোৰ সঠিক উত্তৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন A, in the cave. Question number 22, Why was the king depressed? Because he fought many battles, because he saw a spider, because he hid in a cave, or because he was defeated in a battle. The correct answer of this question will be option D, because he was defeated in a battle. And question number 23, what is the meaning of the word vigor? Strength, depressed, succeed, or encouragement? The correct answer of this question will be option A, strength. So vigor means strength. এতিয়া আমি দ্বিতীয়টো পেৰাগ্ৰাফ পঢ়ি চাওঁ। Yesterday, I, along with the members of my family, went to a beautiful place named Eco Park, which is almost 30 kilometers away from my home. It is situated on the southern bank of the mighty Brahmaputra. The road to the park is very narrow and bumpy as it is under construction. When we reached the place, many people had already gathered there. The water of the river had dried up due to less rainfall during winter. It looked like a sandy desert spreading over miles and miles. There was a steep hill adjacent to the park, which was covered with green trees and carpeted with grass. People coming from different places were enthralled by the scenic beauty of the area. There were also some small cottages made of mud and thatch. The mustard seed crops of the hillside fascinated the people. I was enchanted by the charming beauty of the place and returned home with a sweet memory. ইয়াৰ লগত সংগতি থকা প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নত সোধা হৈছে, How is the road to the park? The road is beautiful. The road is muddy, the road is sandy, or the road is narrow and bumpy. প্ৰশ্নটোৰ সঠিক উত্তৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন ডি, the road is narrow and bumpy. পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰশ্ন সুধিছে, why did the river look like a sandy desert? Because the water of the river had dried up, because it was made up of mud and thatch, because it was covered with green grass, or because it was very narrow and bumpy. So the correct answer of this question will be option A, because the water of the river had dried up. And our last question from this passage is, which is the correct meaning of the word enthrall? Sweet, fascinate, narrow, or beautiful? প্ৰশ্নটোৰ সঠিক উত্তৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন বি, fascinate. enthrallৰ মিনিং হ'ল fascinate. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, ৰিডিঙৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত তোমালোকক এই ধৰণে তিনিটা ফ্ৰেম দিয়া হ'ব, ফ্ৰেম 1, ফ্ৰেম 2 আৰু ফ্ৰেম 3. তোমালোকে নিজৰ ইচ্ছা অনুসাৰে যিকোনো এটা ফ্ৰেম চুজ কৰি ল'বা আৰু তাকে পঢ়িবা. প্ৰথম ফ্ৰেমটোত কি লিখা আছে আহা পঢ়ো আমি. Nikhil has many activities planned for all the 7 days of the week. Every Monday and Tuesday, Nikhil reads a new book. On Wednesday and Thursday, he goes for swimming. Friday and Saturday is for guitar lessons. And finally, Saturday, Sunday is spent with the family. এয়া আছিল আমাৰ প্ৰথমটো ফ্ৰেম. ফ্ৰেম 2ত কি লিখা আছে আহা পঢ়ি চাওঁ. The sun is shining brightly today. It is very hot and everyone is feeling the heat. Children are eating ice cream and popsicles. এতিয়া আহা আমি 3 নম্বৰ ফ্ৰেমটো পঢ়ি চাওঁ. Rita asked her teacher, why are sports and games important for us? Teacher replied enthusiastically, sports and games are important for our body and mind. It makes us more disciplined. মনত ৰাখিবা, তিনিটা সেন্টেন্সে তোমালোকে যদি ভালকে পঢ়িব পাৰা যিকোনো এটা ফ্ৰেমৰ, তেতিয়াহে তোমালোকে সম্পূৰ্ণ নম্বৰ অৰ্জন কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা. যদি দুটা ভালকে পঢ়া তেনেহ'লে 2 নম্বৰ পাবা, আৰু যদি এটা সেন্টেন্স ভালকে পঢ়িব পাৰা তেনেহ'লে 1 নম্বৰ পাবা. চেষ্টা কৰিবা এনে ধৰণৰ যিবোৰ পেৰাগ্ৰাফ সেইবোৰ ঘৰতে পঢ়ি প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰাৰ, যাতে এক্সামৰ দিনা তোমালোকে কোনো গ্ৰামাটিকেল মিষ্টেক বা কোনো প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যনৰ ভুল নোহোৱাকৈ এই ফ্ৰেমখিনি পঢ়ি দিব পাৰা. তেনেহ'লে আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত ইমানেই. যদি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে মোৰ চেনেলটো আহিছা তেনেহ'লে ইয়াক ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'বা আৰু লগতে বেল আইকনত ক্লিক কৰি দিবা, যাতে নতুন নতুন নটিফিকেশ্যনবোৰ সময়মতে তোমালোকে পোৱা, আৰু লগতে এই ভিডিঅ'টো নিজৰ বন্ধুবোৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা.